Hello and welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. My name is Davis Mohomu. Guys, please support the channel by liking, commenting and sharing. Azish?
Okay, you're going to turn left over there.
Should I indicate?
Oh, sis.
Stop the car. Get out and tell those drivers that you're about to turn left there.
Wait.
Don't ask me that. Indicate. Yes, you need to indicate.
David, ngathi imali yami uyayikhokha nini phela? Qala ufuna ukwenzani ngale mali?
Hayibo mfethu. Lenja ihlanganaphi nokuthi ngizoyenzani le mali ngoba phela eyami le mali. Yena wayebolekile nje. Enye ke level of disrespect le. Kumele manje ngichazele lenje ukuthi ngizoyenzani imali yami mfethu. Buka mfethu lenje serious kanjani. Ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi ngizoyenzani le mali.
Hey mfethu, ufuna ukuthenga roll on ne-unlane.
Aw.
Ngizama ke mfethu.
Uzomzama.
Yeah, sepang sengikhiphile ke.
Yo, ngiyabonga kakhulu kakabazi bengazuthi uzongikhipha. Ngingakholwa.
Oh, manje socabangile.
Yeah, sengicabangile bengithi asike yabangani.
Utshwere bheka.
Did you see the shorties though? Nigga. Shit, but I'm gonna head out, man. I don't focus easy, brother. Manyora. Wala. Inside. They want small
Change it just like that.
I'm bro, it's like it's for a plan.
Switch off.
Malang guys, and she'll tell them your busy but eating her Omara Brahona le Strata Yacopa. On Casemi Monati, Marabastata, or give me some bratare.
Ikamala mo Joseph izolo ngihambe ngabuye.
Into engizokuthinkiphalele mutsha lavu ukuthi mangibhekale inhloko yami yajika. So bengicela ukuthi umphakathi ngisize.
Hello baby, sengibuye shop ke sithenge namagwinya kanti ufika nini?
Hayi mina ngisemedini Melbest yami ungawadla.
People of Cape Town, please stop lying to us. Telling us there's clouds coming over the mountain.
What is it?
It's a tablecloth. We know the Rastas are on the other side of that mountain.
Ooh.
The Rastas are having a death party there with Bob Marley.
Dis welkom vir die vandagse nuus. Die drie mense het gegaan by die kerk en die video's en ek ging prepare en chip en
Why would you listen to Africans?
Hy is gegaan bergen die kerk het gereer. Sien jy bro? Winterman in die vreesde woensdag vertel en gaan no. Dit is polite die bidde koele geprepare chavala.
If over an accident or batana or fidelity by or something by a bomb, have to catch that video. Wait,
And then post it.
No, it's a lang. Or one time or winning. Hi, man, to hell, man. How sang you go to hell? What about to how or fat or fatama? How were you?
Kurigiana Han Kilewoha, Hemi Miliarona, in Alamasole. Nahana ngabele mapolice. Yo, corruption ya di. Bohove, nebuto fitla mailing was nana.
Love language jogging. Love language.
Karata Spain,
Le milare suleke khantsanga lor.
Uplumela machinias. Uthi hey guys, omunye ahleka. I see what you did there. That time now you don't know what to do. You know what you did there. Oh. Hey, muntu Tomio.
Nah. Young.
Dear God. Hey, hi Marega.
Aw.
Kuyafana ngekufona. Ngifuna ukuthi ungiboleke noma 5 million bozoyithola mangifika lapho. Manje kuyafana ngeke understand.
Lengwe ya le dirang gore le nagane gore le cheapy. Ke style in jail. Tabadi jalo.
Baby hair.
Ha o fetso thusa botho bonna ithuta go tswalla bolomo selo o ka modimo a fetso thusa rasa
Aka sa ras.
O special ka engwe no o fe thusa motho ras. O fa motho borotho ka tjoka bshwa mmolela. O special wena. O mo betere ke mang? O betere wena. Modimo ka sutla ikhanza o khona rapela a modimo khopelo nthusa o zami mara go sutla tsa ma super. Alo sa mmona mola he ke nne ile momang ke drop re ke tswela pele.
E drop.
Ba bua ka tsone tse a utlwa tshwala ntse ba re monate wa go nna go gagago. Monate wa go nna go gagago. Bona le gapule. Ha o khalemelo ntse go te he. Di a tlarele ga isi a segele gapu he. Malome tholo ga isi a segele gapu. Wa o segale gapule. Yone monate wa go nna go gagago. Tlharang tlhope ga isi a sege. Wa o segale gapule le ntsi yana o le one. Bana ba ga ke di atlaretse ga isi ba sege. Wa ke monate wa go nna go gagago. Bona le gapule.
Jovic.
Witchcraft ke mole o kopanang le soulmate ya go kana go o setse o ditse ngwana le kolube ya naga. Kolube fela yana ya naga.
O bathong.
E bel gone o kopanang le soulmate go o bitsura o mmolae.
Sister.
I love you. I love
you too. Temba fit. Ke go joina ka ma Muslim batho. Ai Islamic se monate shem. Ba se lo utla ma Islamic ba kopana ma Muslim ba kopana sheikh le sheikh ba kopana mola ba dumedisana. Utlo mo ano thomar salang le mileko. Ola mileko tla sala le rena. Ai guys ai. Salang le mileko. Mileko tla sala le rena. Ai guys na ke go joina se Muslim serious shem. Isimbazalwane ibazalana la bora umuntu mutho arapela rabachita rabashia ay rabachita rabashia ay
isikhathi njengamanje loba ubuka le video. What time is it?
9:40.
Kade lo muntu akha isikhathi. What time was it? The person who invented time, he invented time at what time? What if it was 1 o'clock? And then it took him till 1 o'clock to make time, which means what when isikhathi sinazo si-wrong. Stop persecuting yourself with isikhathi siyangishaya. Ube so lazy. Because that person took him time to make time. You understand? It took him time to make time.
This year, as Majita, we are practicing financial syllabus. On first time. Anything that fucks with your money is something that you avoid. Money is only used for self and nobody else. Hey,
I miss my man. Na kwa tem my man ashu. Mo shopong, o ruta my friend di tlhapa.
Bawe bamshapa jona.
Boza.
And then Luna.
Isilwane. Kanti boza, sihambile ingqondo.
Oh. Silwane yasiqala ngo U 1 2
uyasazi
3
uyasazi imaphepha uyasazi siqala ngo U awusaza ngithi ngicela
uyasazi
yini
umkhoma
uyagula ke baba sisingisi baba hawu ungayibuzi into ongayazi
idlala jonke
cela isilwane esiqala ngo O
ostrich
ngo O
Sazi.
Nama ngisazi.
Ostrich.
1 2
Impala nangesingisi impala. Yini indima yini ngesingisi?
Impala izulu leso.
Yini ngesingisi? Yini ngesingisi impala?
Springbok.
Okay, ungahleki. Ngicela ilo eqala ngo V 1 2 3 4 5. Kuthi Venezuela. Kuthi Venezuela was
1 2 3 4 5.
Veneme asi. Bemibuzu esi.
Funa ngithi snake akula. Isilwane siqala ngo G 1 2 3
Giraffe. Giraffe. G ugage kiko lo giraffe. G. Oh, giraffe.
Bare mjolo ri khona le di sorry jo sana vile mara nalo ena re ba lebella rnore. Otherwise, and ona motodor kawa.
Haona enye. Even.
ke tlo mmeta ngwana kwa hae khawuhana nomjolo ucamntu waye ngihamba ngiyambrele langa lingashisi umjolo umdala lo muntu nginakuye wayibona hlola ke kima byang ngapha akhona lo jabo ne-arthritis yomenzani mina umuntu onale mathata amarapo ole ngwana inani sepile labafana bazokushiyana abantwana bakweke ube umntwana unomntwana ngapha ube ubaby mama naha nomangwana ngwana onale ngwana ba re bona ngwana mmangwana ngwana ola lebitso la ke ngwana
awa abuti mara nna ka
morata wazini ngothando nami ngithanda i-Mercedes Benz mara ngi-afford because not everything is about love.
Na re nyake Mercedes Benz re nyaka Swarage.
Exactly my point. Into engizama ukuyiprove le ukuthi ngifuna ama-Swarage because ngithola irank eMasepa kanti hona ngo-Swarage makaka aka Masepa mntana awu yangidisappoint tshwantse ba le tlhaba ke ditlhong gore le eme ko dikhoneng le o di-Swarage ha bona o tlhaba ke tedu ya mkhalabe fela
mara soft ka re stilu
istilu lisamba siphele nobu soft kuyaphela ebile aborkhwa
go home. Guys, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting in advance. Like, comment and share. As I take care.